Hi, everyone, it's Professor Monty. Let's talk about frequency distributions. So frequency distribution is a way of grouping data so that we can more easily see what's going on. So as an example, this data is from one of my classes. It's the first 15 people that got a 60 or above on the exam, wrote down their scores. So we can put this into a frequency distribution. And what I would do is I would list whatever the data is, score in this case. And sometimes I'll put a tally mark just so that I can count them up. If there's a really large number, this would be helpful. This isn't actually part of the frequency distribution. And then frequency. So let's see, we have numbers in the 60s, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. We want these groups to be enough to get all the information in there, but there's no overlap in the groups. So this works out fine. We'd like them to be the same, what they call width. The same number of numbers can go in each of these. So when I go through tally, oh, there's a 78, there's a 97, there's a 95, there's an 88. So I'm just putting in what group it goes in: 87, 88, 81, 62, 74, 62, 70, 85, 80, 64, and 72. So I can just count these up. Oh, there were 3 of these, there were 4 of these, there were 6 of these, and there were 2 of these. And so that's my 15. And so your frequency distribution doesn't have to have the tally, and it's not helpful to the reader. So you could just do score and frequency. That would be perfectly fine. So say it looked like this: score, frequency. We would just say, oh, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, and we just put the numbers in there: 3, 4, 6, 2. Oftentimes we'll add those up to get the total, and that would be my frequency distribution. Now, one thing we could do if we wanted to, we could do like single values. So say there were fewer numbers to look at, we could do single values, or in this case, we could talk about the grades. So I could do something like this, where I just do organize it by a single value. And this time I'll just do it by letter value. So say the grade and then the frequency. So say the grade here, we'll go D, C, B, A. And we can say, oh, we had 3 Ds, we had 4 Cs, we had 6 Bs, and we had 2 As. That was our 15. So we could do it with non-numeric data, or even if this was numbers. You know, say this was number something, and this was the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. We could talk about the frequency. Maybe it's people living in a house, or the number of cars somebody owns, something like that. But anyway, that's a frequency distribution. Hope that helps. And just practice these, you'll get it.